Good morning, bhai. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Once check, is my voice clear? Ravi, battery you changed? One charging lesson. It will work. Good morning, bhai. Good morning. Voice vastunda. Once check, audio, video clear. Good morning, bhai. Good morning. Bilwa, Ruchita, Ramkrishna, good morning. Badhiya, badhiya. Good. Hanji, so how's the life going? Chilling. Battery, this will work. 1.5 hours. Chemistry. I'll be teaching track 1. Topics are class you might have already seen of track 2 in the last session. In chemistry track 1, we are going to deal with physical chemistry and some of the inorganic chemistry. Done? Very good, Ankam. Congratulations. Finally, Dr. Ankam, you will become badhiya. So till the last class, what we have done, let's have a quick recap. Last class, I told you about basic guidelines for NEET 2026 preparations. I told you about little bit about the idea of the track sheet, how it is going to be. I told you about the exam pattern. Done. So all these things we have discussed in the last class. So anyone in this session, if anyone will come and ask any of these kind of questions, I will just open this slide and tell them to refer to the last lecture 2 days back. That means day before yesterday. What is the date today? I think 18th. So it will be 16th June. Done. Shall we start? Shall we start, bhai? Shall we start? Shall we start? Shall we start? Ready? Ready, bhai? Are sleeping kya? Future doctor you want to become, you are sleeping right now at 10:15 in the morning. Wake up. Badhiya. So, in the last class, I taught you the meaning of a square. So, the first question is a plus b whole square. We call it square. And this geometrical figure is also square. So, my question was, this and that will be fundamentally same or different? This power 2, which we call as a square, and this geometrical figure, which we call as a square, are they same or different? These two are same or different? This was the question from where we started the last class. Very good. Same. And we understood how it is same. We assumed that a plus b whole square means, let's say this much area and this much we keep separate. So we are saying that this side is a plus b, in which up to here it is a and this small side is b. Similarly, this will be a, like here also this is a and this is b. The total is a plus b. So a plus b whole square is this area, which is a square. This we have done in the last class. A square, and this is small b into b, b square, a into b, ab, a into b, ab. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. And same thing we are seeing here also, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Hence, the power 2 square and this square is same. So in last class we understood that whenever we use the word in mathematics, because we have mugged up a lot of mathematics up to class 10th, we means you all. You all have mugged up a lot of mathematics up to class 10th. My job is just to make you realize what you know. You already know it, you say it, but you don't understand what you say. Like, in the last class, I asked you one more question. Ki this a power 3, what do you call this power as? Like power 2 is called square. Power 3 is called? Twarga reply. A power 3, what is this power 3 called as? Cube. So can I say, I think by this time you should be aware that this three-dimensional geometrical figure in which all the sides are equal, and let us say all these side length are a, this is a cube. So we realized this also in the last class that a cube, this cube is the volume of a cube of side a. Volume of a cube whose edge length side is a. Up to here, were you clear in the last class? Twarga say. This is what we are done in the last class. Clear? Up to here, anyone have any doubt right now? Tell bhaiya. Clear. Badhiya. Great. So we are starting today's lecture now. Ready? Shall we start? Today's lecture, shall we start? Hoping that you all understood the meaning of a cube. Now, the lecture starts from here. If I ask you 1 centimeter cube, what is 1 centimeter cube here? Now, once you say the once you pronounce this in the words, what is this? So this is 1 centi. Sandhi Vichhed. Like Narendra, Nar plus Indra. Akhilesh, Akhil plus Ish. Manish, Man plus Ish. In the same way, centimeter, centi plus meter. And this is cube. So 1 centimeter cube. Perfect, Dikshit. Perfect. What is the meaning of 1? Sir, 1 means 1. It's a numeric number. Centi is also a number. It means 10 to the power minus 2. What is the meaning of a centi? Very, very important thing is started now. What is the meaning of the word centi? 10 to the power minus 2. What is the meaning of the word centi? 10 to the power minus 2. Remember, bhai. This has come in the NEET examination in the last 2-3 years only. Centimolar. People did not know the meaning of the word centi. They know centimeter, but they don't understand that centi is a number which can be used with meter also, liter also. Just like you have milliliter, ml. You have centiliter also possible. So centi means 10 to the power minus 1. Clear hai bhai? What is the meaning of the word centi? 10 to the power minus, sorry, not minus 1, minus 2. Centi means 10 to the power minus 2. Centi means 10 to the power minus 2. So 1 centimeter cube means, let us say, we have a cube whose side is 1 centimeter. So a cube made up of 1 centimeter side. Imagine a box, a cubical box, in which all the sides are 1 centimeter. The volume in this box, the volume contained by this box, that volume will be called as 1 centimeter cube. In simple words, if you take a box Imagine a cubical box of 1 centimeter dimension, 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter height. Chinna box. In that box, if you fill water, that much water is 1 centimeter cube. Anyone who is not clear with this right now, quickly give a no, sir, not clear. Chinna box, imagine 1 centimeter only dimension. Chinna box, can you imagine a box? Like you have a Rubik's Rubik's cube. Similarly, a box like this of 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, height also 1 centimeter, length also 1 centimeter, breadth also 1 centimeter, a box of 1 centimeter. Inside that, if you put water, the volume of water which will be coming inside the box is called 1 centimeter cube. And 1 centimeter cube, also called as 1 cc, cubic centimeter, centimeter cube, cubic centimeter, centimeter cube, cubic centimeter, cubic centimeter is also called as the world famous 1 ml. So if someone asks you, can you imagine 1 ml of water? So if I ask you to imagine 1 ml water, and you are not from science background, you will imagine a drop of water, which may or may not be 1 ml. When I said imagine 1 ml, I means you have to imagine 1 ml only. So now you imagine a box. Close your eyes and imagine. Close your eyes. Imagine a very small box of length 1 centimeter, breadth 1 centimeter, and height also 1 centimeter. A very small box. In that small box, whatever the water which is coming, that is 1 ml. Are you able to imagine future doctors? हाँ भैया. Clear? Acha, for showing you, I am showing this much box, but this much is 1 centimeter kya? 1 centimeter is this much, or smaller than this, or bigger than this? 1 centimeter, yaar. In this world you might be living, you have seen 1 centimeter bigger than this size, bigger than this length, or smaller, or equal to this length. 1 centimeter, bhai. Chinna pedda, chala pedda, small. Correct? Now, roughly 1 meter is this much. 1 meter is roughly this much. You might have seen in the cloth shop, if you go to buy cloth, na? So there the shopkeeper might measure like this, 1 meter, 2 meter. Have you seen? So 1 meter is roughly this much. Roughly 1 meter. Agree? Roughly 1 meter will be this much. More or less, this much will be 1 meter. So if I make a cube, हाँ भैया, all the FDs listen carefully. If I make a cube whose length is roughly this much, लो भाई, cube is ready. A cube whose length is 1 meter, whose length is 1 meter, height is 1 meter, breadth is 1 meter. This big box, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, pick the box. How much will be the volume inside this box? What will be the volume? Imagine negligible thickness of the box is there, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Height also 1 meter, length also 1 meter, breadth also 1 meter. How much will be the volume inside that? Sir, that is called 1 meter cube. A cube of side 1 meter. 1 meter cube. This meter cube is the SI unit of volume. So are you able to imagine now with me? Once close the eyes and imagine 1 ml. Now what you will imagine 1 ml? Sir, a very small box. I will draw for you so that your imagination becomes easy. Tell me, if this much is 1 meter, So can I say 1 centimeter will be this much only? Correct? 1 centimeter will be this much, or maybe smaller than this, but this much, around 1 centimeter. Correct? 1 centimeter, if this is 1 meter, this must be around 1 centimeter. So if I make a small cube of this dimension, this is 1 centimeter cube here. This volume is 1 centimeter cube. Now can you imagine, in your eyes closed, can you imagine a centimeter cube? A small cube of 1 centimeter dimension, and next to it a very big cube of 1 meter cube dimension. Are you able to imagine, bhai? 1 centimeter cube in which each side is 1 centimeter. That cube, if you take, inside that the amount of water is called 1 centimeter cube, also called as 1 ml. 1 meter cube is not 1 liter. Oh bhaiya, 1 meter cube, by mistake also don't think ki 1 meter cube is 1 liter. 1 meter cube is not at all 1 liter. 1 centimeter cube is 1 ml. Say bhai. Now, do you agree that this is 1 liter water bottle? Do you agree this is 1 liter water bottle? 1 liter. In your houses also you might be having such kind of a bottle, 1 liter. Do you agree? So tell me 1 meter cube and 1 liter. This is 1 meter cube. The water in this container will be 1 meter cube, and this is 1 liter. Which is more? 1 meter cube or 1 liter? Which is more? क्या बात है? 1 meter cube. बेटा देखो, cube तो everyone है. Munawar, cube, this will also be a cube. I will tell you this also in the form of cube as well. But which cube? 1 meter cube or 1 centimeter cube, 1 liter? Sir, meter cube will be more correct. 1 liter more or 1 centimeter cube more? 1 liter is more or 1 centimeter cube is more? Twarga say, are these relations clear to you conceptually? No mugging, no random mathematics, core basic conceptual knowledge and visualization. Are you able to imagine, first time in your life, are you able to exactly imagine 1 ml? A small 1 centimeter, a small box of 1 centimeter dimension is 1 ml volume. A big box of 1 meter dimension. Clear, bhai? By in the next 10 minutes, I will make your visualization mathematics so strong that volume will never be a problem. Interconversion, this you will do interconversions. And once this will be clear, electrochemistry to conductance part very clear. Just hold with me for 5-10 minutes, visualize and understand that you were not duffer, you were never taught properly. For you also mathematics was so easy. Now what I am going to do in the next 5 minutes, you will be mesmerized that this much brain you had. Just no one told like this. You were mugging up 1 meter cube, 1 meter cube, 1 meter cube. W equal to P delta V in delta V. V is given as meter cube, convert into centimeter cube, liter meter. How to convert, multiply 1000, divide 1000. Kuch nahi. Everything conceptually will understand, but I need your patience and full focus for the next 5 minutes. Quickly give me a yes. If this visualization of 1 meter cube, a pedda box of 1 meter dimension, inside that the water is 1 meter cube, a small 1 centimeter box, inside that 1 ml, 1 centimeter cube. 1 liter we have not yet visualized because every day we know how much is 1 liter. I will tell you also 1 liter in the same manner. But we know 1 liter, yaar. 2 milk packets is 1 liter. We know 1 liter, isn't it? We don't have to complicate everything. But there are certain things we need to understand. Now, if someone asks you the relation between these three, and they will ask how to relate. There are two ways. One is easy and low IQ method. Easy and low IQ method. For that, kuncham mugging also required. Clear, bhai? I will tell that at the last. है ना? You are our future doctors, and your level should not go down. I will explain you in a manner you can visualize, and then I will tell you another method which is low IQ method, which you will understand easily, and I know you will not use. Once you will feel how interesting visualization is, you will not use all this elementary mathematics that people make you mug up. So can I start? Can I start? High IQ method, and trust me, howsoever duffer you think you are, you will understand it. And if you understood this, immediately you will give me a yes sir, ki sir, properly clear sir. I did not find any problem in that. So I am going to start now. Ready? Ready? I will need your 4 or 5 minutes to make you understand. Slowly, step by step, I will explain you. And like this relation will come. Clear? So if I am asking you, ki in 1 meter cube, 1 meter cube means how many ml? Question is, 1 meter cube is how many ml? That is the question. Relation is this na, ki 1 meter cube means how many ml? Clear? Now understand carefully. This is, now forget that we are dealing volume. Forget it. Come to class 3rd level. I want you to be in class 3rd now. Forget all this NEET and all. Don't take the pressure. Enjoy. In class 3rd, we are in a garden right now. Imagine you are in the garden. In the garden, there is a big box like this. Very big box, empty box. And I'm giving you chinna bricks. Very small bricks of this size. Small bricks. And I'm asking you, ki one by one, beta, all of you, you put your bricks here and fill the box. Sir, what do you mean? I mean, for example, I put here 1 brick, 2nd brick, 3rd brick, 4th brick, 5th brick, 6th brick. Like this, I'm putting the bricks. Tell me, what is the length of this chinna brick? I am talking about 1 centimeter cube brick. What is the length of this brick? What is the length of this brick? 1 centimeter cube I have. In this 1 centimeter cube, what is the length of the cube? 1 centimeter. Tell me, how many 1 centimeter cube can come in 1 meter? 1 meter low, how many centimeter will come? In 1 meter length, how many 1 centimeter cubes will come? Twarga say, in 1 meter length, how many? Very good, correct answer. Everyone answer. Arey, this much you know. You know, I know you know. That's why I'm asking. Correct. So how many will come? Sir, 100 cube will come here. Similarly, what is this length? In this Pedda cube, what is this length? In this cube, what is this length? Sir, 1 meter. How many chinna 1 centimeter cube will come here? How many 1 centimeter cube will come here? How many? Dekho, 100 will come like this, one line. I am asking, how many will come like this now? Sir, 100 will come like this also. So what you did? 100. You made 100 like this, 100 like this. So first layer completed. What is the height? हाँ भैया FDs, future doctors, how much is the height of this Pidda cube? So how many cube will come up, Chinna cube, 1 centimeter. How many cube will come here? How many cube will come here? 100. So total how many cube came? 100 into 100 into 100. 100 cube like this, then 100 lines like this, then 100 layers like this. So 10 to the power, how many bricks came? Lavanya correct, Vaishu correct. How many bricks came? Sai correct. 100 into 100 into 100. How many bricks came now? Total, Mottam bricks, how many came? In 1 meter cube, dash number of centimeter cube bricks came. Now, Twarga say, 100 came like this. Because in 1 meter, how many 1 centimeter bricks will come? 100. So 100 came like this. Then 100 came like this. This is 1 layer. Can you imagine? 1 layer. And like this, 100 layer came. So 100 into 100 into 100. Bilkul. 100 power 3 correct. 100 power 3 means 10 to the power 6. Easier method also I will tell you. But Twarga say, was it beyond your IQ level or was it actually interesting to understand also? Was it something beyond your IQ level? Kya? Or was it something interesting to understand as well? So now, if someone asks you 1 centimeter cube is how 1 meter cube is how many centimeter cube, what you will think? Ki in 1 meter box, 1 meter box, how many 1 centimeters will come? So sir, in length 100 will come, in breadth also 100 will come, in height also 100 will come. So 100 into 100 into 100, total volume 10 power 6 will come. Viliginda, Twarga say Viliginda. Now, small break in the concept because there are some people who are still in the mentality of mugging up, which I want to change, but I cannot change your 13 years of wastage of education in 13 minutes. So for those people, just to satisfy the less performing people who don't want to change right now, who will take some time to change, don't worry, we will change you also. Till the time NEET 2026 will come, you will also start thinking conceptually. But for the time being, for those people, clear? Trick is this. This is son, this is father, and this is grandfather. The relation between this and this is same as this and this. He is the father of the father. He is the father of this son. Tell me, acha, 1 centimeter cube is 1 ml. Tell me 1 liter is how many ml? This to your milkman will also know. 1 liter means how many ml? This I think everyone would know. Say bhai, twarga. 1 liter how many ml? Correct hai. Agree? Half liter means 500 ml. So 2 milk packet. Rindu milk packet is 1 liter. So 1 liter is 1000 ml. So whatever is the relation here, same relation will be here also. So tell me 1 meter cube is how many liter? If I am saying ki liter and centimeter cube, that is ml, liter or centimeter cube ml, they have the relation 1000 times. Similarly, meter cube and liter relation chapandi. 1 meter cube is how many liter? Whatever your answer is, put L behind that so that I understand you are answering this question. Getting? Whatever you are giving the number, na 100, 1000, 10, whatever you are giving, put L behind that so that I understand this question you are giving the answer. Twarga. 1 meter cube will be how many liter then? Perfect. 1000 liter. So dekho bhai, if you don't want to put the effort, I can make you mug up also. But you want to lower down your level and assume that NEET will lower the level and then assume that no one else will be able to solve it. See, it will not come. You will have to understand conceptually. You will have to raise your standard. You have got a good set of teacher. You also need to be good, bhai. Your last year insincerity, sir, I am not able to focus in the class. No one's problem. It is a personal problem now. You have to solve it. Ye victim mentality will not help. You are the murderer of your own dreams. You should be jailed for life. So don't act like a victim. No one have done bad with you. Parents have given you good education. Teachers are ready to teach you. But you don't want to, with focus, you don't want to imagine the things here. But then you want to become doctor at the national level. Beta, go and watch Pogo. Watch some motivational lecture on this YouTube also. But if you really want to clear the examination now, these things at the last will help. But these kind of things in the beginning will open your brain. Clear, bhai? So those who did not understand this but understood this, understand. We can make everyone understand, lecture will get over. But if a tough paper will come, our student, we have the confidence, will be benefited. Like this year it happened. It will happen next year also if it comes good. Why they will be benefited? Because they are not just mugging, they are knowing the concept behind it. They can visualize. It's not only about meter cube and centimeter cube. They can say picometer cube and nanometer cube relation. They can give picometer cube and centimeter cube relation. They can give you picometer cube and yotometer cube. None of you probably would have heard properly about Yoto. Zepto, like Blinkit, like Swiggy Instamart, Zepto is also there. All these are the things in your syllabus. Not a single thing will be taught to you beyond your syllabus. Right now also what I am dealing, by the end of the lecture you will hold your head like this, ki shit, I thought sir is doing time pass, syllabus completed. Clear, bhai? To understand, raise your standard. We can help you, but you have to make sure that you should have the intention. There is nothing your brain cannot do. Those who understood this also, they will understand what I am trying to say. You could have understood this thing 5 years back as well. It was in your syllabus 5 years back as well. But because no one taught, so the people who are able to do mathematics easily in brain, you are not able to understand how can you do that. That is how they do. I don't have to convert meter cube, centimeter cube by method. I can imagine ki 1 meter 100 centimeter hai. Millimeter cube, simple. Millimeter cube they are saying. Millimeter cube, 1000 will come. In 1 meter, 1000 will come. 1000 here, 1000 here, 1000 here. So 1000 power 3. 10 power 9. Whatever I want, I can convert now. Nanometer, 10 power 9 will come. Nano, 9 will come. 10 power 9, 10 power 9, 10 power 9. I mean, you give whatever you want now. All you have to understand is this into this into this. Clear, bhai? But slowly we'll get there. But firstly, this thing clear? I'm entering into now liter. Ready? Ready, everyone? So everyone clear that 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. You have mugged up. Why? I will tell you. 1 meter cube is 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube or ml. You have derived it. So if you remember, great. If you don't remember, any time in the examination you can derive. You will not get stuck. Now, what is the meaning of a liter? 1 liter is 1 decimeter cube. How much is 1 liter? 1 decimeter cube. Now understand. There are two brothers. Deci, deca. Deci, deca. Two brothers are there. Listening to their name, Deci, deca, which one appear elder to you? According to you, if you imagine there are two names, Deci, deca. Which one is according to you elder? Pedda. Who is the Pedda one? Deci or deca? What is your feeling coming by listening the name? Deca. So remember this thing. Pedda. 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 Whenever a number ends with a, the power of 10 will be pedda. So deci, देखो dec means 10. Decane, dec means 10. Deci is 10 power minus 1. Deca is 10 power plus 1. त्वरगा से डेसी डेका क्लियर. डेसी डेका क्लियर. डेसी 10 पावर माइनस 1, डेका 10 पावर 1. तो what is a decimeter? So imagine this is a meter. This is 1 meter. I am dividing 1 meter into 10 parts. 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, too much close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I divided 1 meter into 10 part, deca, 10 part. So out of that, this one part, that is 1 by 10 meter, that is called decimeter. 1 decimeter. Say bhai twarga, clear or not clear? A decimeter means deci, 10 power minus 1. So 1 decimeter means 10 power minus 1 meter. Deci means 10 power minus 1. Centi 10 power minus 2. Deci 10 power minus 1. Quickly say, here anyone have any problem in understanding the meaning of deci? Anyone have any problem? Say bhai, say bhai. Badhiya, nice. So understand now. You have firstly imagination, then I will tell you one other method. I said one low IQ method also I will tell you. I will tell that low IQ method also. In 1 meter, how many decimeter will be there? In 1 meter, this is 1 meter cube na? In 1 meter, how many decimeter will be there? In 1 meter, 100 centimeter, you all have mugged up. Now tell me in 1 meter, how many decimeter? Chinna meter. Deci, chinna, deca, pedda. How many chinna meter will be there? In 1 decimeter? Yahana, very bakwas. Means this much low I never expect. Reverse the video, check again. Don't listen to the live lecture, you're not listening right now. Go back to 2-3 minutes, listen one more time. Hanji, twarga. In 1 meter, how many decimeter will be there? Twarga se. Oh, auntie, uncle, in 1 meter, how many decimeter are there? I just now drew uncle. Sir, 1 by 10. 1 by 10 hai wo. 1 decimeter is 1 by 10. I'm asking 1 meter. How many decimeter unda? ओ अंकल, त्वरगा त्वरगा से, परफेक्ट। अरे डेक भाई, डेक, डेसी डेक, डेक मींस 10 विल बी देयर। क्या यार तुम लोग बिल्कुल एवरीथिंग मगिंग, मॉर्फोलॉजी इज गोइंग ऑन क्या? एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मॉर्फोलॉजी यू आर मगिंग अप क्या? यूज लिटिल ब्रेन, व्हाट यू से हैज द आंसर। डेसी डेसी डेक 10, चिन्ना चिन्ना 10 पीसेस। अंडरस्टूड भाई? नाउ से 10 10 10, so 10 decimeter here, 10 decimeter here, 10 decimeter here, तो 10 into 10 into 10, क्लियर है भाई? तो 1 मीटर क्यूब इज 1000 डेसीमीटर क्यूब। Getting? Just like for centimeter cube, what I said, 100 centimeters are there. So 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube. For decimeter cube, I am saying 10 into 10 into 10. Clear है भाई? Clear? Tvarga Tvarga says the relation clear to you. What did we understand? What's the conclusion we have understood? This much is 1 decimeter. I'm putting a different color so that those who are mugging up also, they should also understand, but try to avoid mugging as much as possible, bhai. Done? This is 1 decimeter. Done? Okay, Nivas. Actually, some people are seeing the video late. Some people joined late. In the beginning of the class, 50-55 people were there. Now 81 came. So these 30 people are seeing the video late. So they are answering to the questions which I asked 5 minutes, 10 minutes before. So that is why I got distracted. But now I understood, because that once 1000 liter someone typed, na, then I understood that that person is right now seeing the video 5 minutes before. Getting? But no problem. 1 decimeter. So what we understood? We understood 1 centimeter cube is 1 ml. 1 decimeter cube is 1 liter. We understood that 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. That is 1000 decimeter cube is 10 to the power 6 ml or 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. These two important things we have understood, and we also understood something about decideca. त्वरगा त्वरगा से. ओके निवास, आई अंडरस्टूड. डन भैया? त्वरगा से क्लियर और नॉट क्लियर? प्रॉपरली क्लियर बाय दिस टाइम? Not only the shortcut I know you will be able to do now. कि the relation here and the relation here, I know you will remember right now, but I want you to understand the conceptual basis if it comes beyond these three. Done bhai? Very good. So I will ask you one conceptual question now. Are you ready? First MCQ. Question is, how many cubes of side 1 centimeter would completely fill a cube of side 1 meter, assuming closest packing? Options are 100, 1000, 10,000, or I can write here 10 to the power 4 or 10 to the power 6. Hanji bhai, how many cubes of side 1 centimeter would completely fill a cube of side 1 meter, assuming closest packing? If you're finding this question easy, that means my job is done. Otherwise, this question is very tricky. I will tell you also without listening to this how the question would have got different. That means different answer would have come, wrong answer would have come for many of you without listening to the lecture. Correct. By this time, everyone answered correct only, 10 power 6. Because you are able to understand that in a cube, length, breadth and height are there. So 1 meter length, 1 meter breadth, 1 meter height means 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, so 10 to the power 6. Why? Because you are visualizing a cube. If I would have asked you this question in the beginning, so at least 30-40% of you would have answered कि sir 1 meter have 100 centimeter, so answer is 100. You are not even thinking about 100 today. Why? Because you understand the meaning of a cube now. Clear है भाई? देखो केशवा साहिब just now gave, Sasi just now gave 1. Option 1 given. Are you getting? My whole life also I will teach and I will not be able to teach these people because they are not even listening. I can rather make this wall a doctor rather than making these people who are not even listening to me. And now if I repeat 1,000 times also, it will be unjustified for those people, 99.99% people. यार 0.01% bacteria तो life boy also cannot kill यार. Clear है भैया? Getting? After teaching for around 46 minutes and 30 seconds, 100 they are giving the answer. क्या मतलब क्या बोलूं यार? छी, yuck. हाँ जी, remaining people clear है? So what I asked you, understand? I asked you this same question, but in words. In words, in language, the questions appear difficult. I asked you कि how many 1 centimeter chinna cubes will be required to completely fill a 1 meter side length cube. So 100 length it will come, 100 depth will come, 100 height will come. Can I ask you one tough question now? Because you are in your house online, I have no idea. In offline, I would be easily able to judge where to increase the level. In offline, after this last answer of Keshwa Sasi, I'm not able to digest what you are listening also, or even you are listening or not. Because at the end of the day, 45 days back only, you have super performed in the NEET examination. So reality will be that only, or did it change in the 45 days? Or maybe you forgot the pain of not clearing this examination. I don't know. So how you are listening, I don't know. But I feel at this point in offline, I would have given a little higher question, where little brain you would be using and answering here. So can I ask? People are saying yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people said yes. Out of 75. So remaining 69 people, they are sleeping. So should I ask you again same question one more time? How many cubes of side 1 centimeter? Chalo, one more time answer. What is the answer? Sir, 4th option. Yay, answered. Chaliye bhai. How many cubes of volume 1 centimeter cube would fit with closest packing in a cube of volume 8 centimeter cube? Of volume 8 centimeter cube. Options are 2, 4, 6, 8. Eight into 10 power 6, Chandrika is saying. No, Chandrika, no. चलिए, it's a cube, so all the sides will be same. Answer is 8. You can answer 8 by this also, 1 centimeter cube, 8 centimeter cube, so 8 will fit. But that shortcut will only work if your brain is working. So I want you to solve firstly by the lengthy method and then understand, because next question shortcut will not be applicable. Already I'm telling you in advance. If you are doing like this, 1 here, 8 answer. Next question it will not work. But let us see. We have 8 centimeter cube. So we have a cube whose volume is 8 centimeter. So if the volume A cube is 8 centimeter cube, so A will be 2 centimeter. This also many people ask, sir, how you got 2, sir? Sir, 2 how came, sir? A cube is 8. 8. Whose cube is 8, you can think. Actually, we are taking cube root. So you can just think whose cube is 8. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So whose cube is 8? 2 cube is 8. So that means this length is how much? 2 centimeter. So in a 2 centimeter length, 2 centimeter breadth, 2 centimeter height. 1 centimeter cube means edge length is 1 centimeter. In a 2 centimeter length, how many 1 centimeter cube can come? So sir, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 is the answer. Getting? Because it is 2 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, 2 cube will come here. 1 centimeter, 2 cube can come here. 1 centimeter, 2 cube can come here. So when you fill it completely, so 2, 2, 2, 2 into 2 into 2 will come. If the units are same, you can directly answer 8. But what if the units are different? Let's try one more question. How many cubes of volume 8 centimeter cube can fit in a cube of side 1 meter? Solve bhai. 8 centimeter cubes are there. How many of such cube will fit in a cube of side 1 meter? Answer is 10 to the power 6. Options are 10 to the power 6, 2 into 10 to the power 6. Clear, bhai? Then we can take 0.5 10 to the power 6, and we can take 1.25 into 10 to the power 4. 5 ले लो चलो, powers are very high here. This also 0.5 10 power 6 you can make as 5 10 to the power 5. हाँ जी, तो 1 2 3 4. देखो, right answer, if anyone answer, that is not important for me. For me, it is important that you try at least one time yourself in the notebook. Try to make a cube, pedda cube. One pedda cube you will make like this. And you will think that the dimension of this cube is 1 meter. We have reached to JEE advanced level already, bhai. NEET level, JEE main level crossed. We have reached to JEE advanced level now. Beyond that, in JEE advanced can also not come from this part of topic. So 1 meter we have taken. Now you have to think कि 8 centimeter cube means what is the length, breadth and height? Tell me, what is the value of A? A cube is 8. A cube is 8. So A will be how many centimeter? A will be how many centimeter, bhai? Twarga se. Sir, 2 centimeter. So how many 2 centimeter boxes can come in 1 meter? This is the question. How many 2 centimeter boxes can come in 1 meter? Are you realizing we are doing mathematics of class 8th only? We are actually doing mathematics of class 8th only. In 1 meter length, how many 2 centimeter boxes can come? 8th, 9th, 10th, junior inter, senior inter, before that 6th, 7th. 8 years of your life, whatever you have not done, that in the last 1 hour we are doing. I want your attention, otherwise you will live like this only throughout the life. Mediocre life, you will leave the world, no one will understand who you are. Raise your standard. 1 meter length. 90% people will come in the video, they will see, oh, too tough for me. Go. More people will go, easier for my students to get the seat. Bye bye. But those who stay till you understand, keep on thinking, keep on listening. So, sir, we have a Pidda cube of side 1 meter. 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, everything 1 meter. We have a Chinna cube of 8 centimeter cube volume, so where side will be 2 centimeter here. So in 1 meter length, that is 100 centimeter, 2 centimeter, how many boxes will come? Correct. Say, bhai, how many boxes will come here? 50. 2 centimeter boxes will come. Correct? Arre, 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Chacha. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So 2 centimeter, 50 boxes will come. That will be 100 centimeter. So 50 here, 50 here, 50 here. So how many total number of boxes came? How many total number of boxes came? So sir, 50 into 50 into 50. Total number of cubes that will come will be 50 into 50 into 50. Multiply. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 0 0 0. Lo bhai. You can see the options I gave. This many people chose. And these are the people who are not putting brain. Those who tried and then they thought, who will put this much brain? Any nearby answer will come, I will tick. And these people will say after 1 month, ki, sir, for some questions I am getting the answers, but some questions I am not getting the answers. Uncle, when you will play a game of luck, by mistake you will find the answer. So 50% only will come, na bhai. Remaining answers will not come. And that 50% not came because you were trying it and you were knowing it. 50% came because you were lucky. And in the NEET exam, no one is lucky. You have written the NEET examination, you know very well. When the day comes, na, only those people get the seat who deserve. Not the people with money in the pocket. Not the people who have been mean throughout the life. Those who have maximum efforts in this year will get into the medical college. Be whether the paper is tough or easy, doesn't matter. Number of seats are fixed. One more time I will explain you after 30-second break. Meanwhile, you think what just now happened. 30-second break tarvata, I will explain one more time this thing for those people who are not able to understand. But I want right now everyone to once think what just now happened, bhai. And if you are thinking this 8th class mathematics problem is a problem for you, in JEE Advanced also this level of question will come. But at the end of the day, it is class 8th level only. Tough questions are not from BSc classes or MSc classes. Tough questions are the chemistry of junior senior inter, the physics of junior senior inter, with brain required of 8th class, 9th class, 10th class mathematics. Those are tough questions. Check bhai. How many cubes of volume 8 centimeter cube can fit in a cube of side 1 meter? Done bhaiya. Easier method is also there. Easier method also there. But I want to little bit instigate your imagination skill. Easier method is that this volume and this volume I will equate. Number of cubes I will get. What is the easier method? If I tell easier method, now you people will mug up the method. That is my problem. If I tell the easier method, you people will mug up the method. What you will mug up? Let us say small number of small cubes required equal to n. Clear, bhai? Ab volume to same only. So number of small cube into volume of small cube. Clear, bhai? Is equal to the total volume. So number of small cube I don't know. Volume of small cube is 8 centimeter cube. Total volume 1 meter cube. Now meter and centimeter are not same. So we know that 1 meter cube is 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube cancel. Number of cube will be 10 to the power 6 by 8, which is 1.25, 10 to the power 5. Now I know once I tell this thing, you will mug up the method here. Understand, my intention is not for you to solve this question, because that is not going to come exactly in the NEET exam. But I want you to be able to visualize the small cubes in a larger cube, bhai. Understand the fundamental required here. And why I am saying so much? Why am I trying this kind of question for you? Understand now. In your chemistry, the first chapter, tell me the name of the first chapter of chemistry, everyone. What's the first chapter of chemistry? Name Chapandi. Atomic structure. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay. Okay. Very good. Structure of atom is the first chapter. Second chapter is electrochemistry. है ना? Uncle, NEET exam you are going to write, at least know your chapters. Tomorrow's selection will come or not come, that is secondary. At least chapter so you should know. Joker you want to become in life or doctor? Structure of atom. Cartoon hai ek number ke bhai. The most funny thing is some of these cartoons will become doctor one day, but I will remember they are cartoons. How will I be able to get treated from these people here? How will I get the confidence? I have seen you like this. This table I will teach you. But before teaching you this table, in this table only decideca is there. Can you see this decideca? Zepto, Blinkit, Swiggy, Instamart, Zepto. Clear, bhai? Done, bhaiya. Ganesh, your doubt is completely irrelevant. Delete it right now and focus here. Yes, day before yesterday also same drama you doing. By mistake, don't come in front of me and ask this kind of question when I'm teaching in the class. Delete kar. Delete fast. WhatsApp number I have given you. In the middle of the class, in the middle of something I'm there, you are asking this kind of question. Don't attend any class. This also you are not attending. What you are doing right now also. What am I teaching you? What you are doing? Name Ganesh is there. Complete दैत्य वाली हरकत कर रहा है बिल्कुल. हाँ भाई. ये NCERT है चचा. This is the NCERT. This is in the syllabus. Why will I teach you for 1 hour something if it is not there in the syllabus? This is the point to understand. I can easily skip this. All your teachers in class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th skip. I can also say, कि बेटा up to class 10 you should have read and come na. In junior inter, how can I teach all this? I can and I will. Whether you read or not, I will. Whether 60 people are there or 6 people are there, I will keep on teaching every line of NCERT. You have the caliber, listen. You don't have the caliber, pack the bag, watch some movie, bhai sahab. Go. Drama required, go to Tollywood. They need you more than medical colleges, bhai. This is what, if you are able to understand ki how much is 1 decimeter, centimeter relation, how they combine volume, and on this one day question will come. On this one day question will come, and throughout the country people will break the bangle. Chemistry came tough, chemistry came tough. At that time you will be smiling. This is what we read in the introduction week only, sir. How tough? Easy na, tak 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 tak, and people will open the mouth and see your face. This much they know. How? Getting bhai. If you are able to imagine this, my today's main job is over. Volume I wanted to teach you today. Mass and weight will come in your syllabus. Volume is something, na, this decimeter, cube and all these things. This is something which they assume ki up to class 9, Ganesh, okay, but I have seen this also. But I'm right now teaching, even sorry is a disturbance. Please understand, bhai. Please understand. You don't have to maintain image in front of me. All you have to do is, when I'm teaching, listen. Clear, bhai? If I'm teaching, you are busy typing, that means you are not listening. That's all I want to say. Clear hai bhai? And this is for everyone. Hanji, clear hai bhaiya this thing? Clear this thing, everyone? Ki why was I teaching all this thing? Because sometimes it happened. I also understood as a student, when my teacher would have told all this thing without any context, I also would have thought, ki sir, that is also one of the reasons that some of you did not listen carefully. And intentionally, I did not tell in the beginning. Some people would have come, they would have seen and they would have gone. Ki chalo, right now chemistry not going on. When chemistry will start, when main track, I don't know what this obsession with main track is. What is main track? Yahi hai main track. People are saying when main track will start, then we will come. For such kind of filtering, such kind of insincere people, I did not tell in the beginning of the lecture. Only those people who listen to the whole lecture, they should be able to feel satisfied ki acha ha. That blind following I wanted. That's why I said in the last class, whatever you want to ask yesterday only, day before yesterday only. Next class onwards, I want blind following. If I am saying you have to learn this thing, if I am giving these questions, you need to trust that I am doing this for your selection. There must be something very important, something very relevant for NEET examination within NCERT, which you people might be lagging. It is my job, my responsibility, na badhyata, to make sure that you are able to understand up to here before entering into mole concept. Several times it will happen throughout the lecture. You will not understand what I am saying. By the end, it will make sense. That blind faith required, bhai. Ye half hoof nahi, ye buffet is not going on. Clear, bhai? I am not selling here my lectures. I am teaching. Clear, bhai? You want time pass or drama? There are several places you can go. You can do there. But if you want core studies, throughout the class, full attention you can pay, then come. And then I will see how AIR1 will not come. Clear, bhai? Firstly, now did you understand why this was important to imagine like this? Because they can ask you in the cube form like this also. They can say cubane. This structure, if I put here carbon, 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 this will be called as a cubane. They can ask you like this, ki how many cubanes can be filled here in a volume of this much? These many cubanes can be filled. Find a bond length of carbon, carbon. Single bond length. These kind of questions they might ask if they really want to make a tough question. But if your fundamentals are strong, this will not be a problem. Twarga say, is everyone clear what we are doing right now and what you can read in the evening from NCERT? Today in the evening from NCERT, read the NCERT up to scientific notation. Degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit conversion up to here. Including this green color box, make sure that you read it today. In the study hour, in the evening time, read up to here. Scientific notation onwards, next class I will start. But shall I now come to this table, bhai? Can I come to this table now? I think it is clear. The cube and all drama is clear to you? Once a quick revision. 1 meter cube will have how many liter? Or decimeter cube? 1 meter cube have how many decimeter cube? Very good. Adhikari bhai sahab, Vinita Adhikari, very good. Only one answer came bhai, kya ho gaya? Now only forgot kya? Revise kar, torka revise everyone in the head. 1 meter cube will have how many liter, how many decimeter cube? 1000. 1 meter cube will have how many centimeter cube? 1 meter cube will have how many centimeter cube? Centimeter cube how many? Twarga. Say bhai, say. Badhiya. Now I am coming to this word centi, deci, deca. For that, this table bhai you should be able to understand. At least 50% I can make you remember right now. Acha, those 50% which you don't know, there are some very common also. I don't have to worry about that common ones, but some tough ones are there I want to pay my full attention. Firstly, tell me, are the beginning ones clear to you? Are the beginning ones visible to you? I'll do like this. Chalo. Top one visible. Check the first 6. Check the first 6. Yocto, zepto, atto, femto, pico, nano, micro, you know. Picometer, nanometer, micrometer, so everyone will teach. That will come in the structure of atom also. Picometer, nanometer, micrometer. Can you see one thing common? Dekho bhai, what are the tricks to remember it? Ending with O, ending with I, R, chinna. Ending with A, pidda, deca, pidda. Ending with O, ending with I, chinna. Mostly. This is mostly, not always, mostly. Ending with A, pidda. Out of that also, O will be more chinna than I. See, yocto, zepto, atto, femto, pico, nano, micro, O. Then came our cute people. E, milli, centi, deci. Hecto is not falling in this shortcut. That's why I said mostly. Hecto and kilo. Apart from that, apart from hecto and kilo, remaining everywhere it will work. Decideca clear? Then mega, giga, tera, peta, exa, all these things are okay. Now listen very carefully, bhai. Now listen very carefully. Check the first two names. Check the first two names. Yocto, zepto. Yocto, zepto. Write in your notebook also. Yocto, zepto. Yocto will be 10 power minus 24. Zepto will be 10 power minus 21. Yocto, zepto. Check the bottom two. Yotta, zepta. Decideca. Deci 10 power minus 1. Deca 10 power plus 1. Similarly, yocto, yocta, zepto, zepta. Yocto 10 power minus 24. Yotta, not yocta, yotta 10 power 24. Are getting bhai? Zepto 10 power minus 21. Zepta 10 power plus 21. Are say yaar. Say bhai, say. Clear, bhai? Then atto, atta. In place of atta, we use exa. Atto, 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 atto. Atto is 10 power minus 18. Exa will be 10 power 18. You cannot mug it up like this. The method of remembering it, first last should match, second last should match. Conceptually understand why the name is kept like this. Atto, in place of atta, they put exa, similar sounding. Clear hai bhai? Clear hai? Done? Fa, 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 fa. So what are you doing? Have you gone crack? No. I'll tell you one thing. In biomolecule, you know proteins. There is an amino acid, phenylalanine. You know phenylalanine? Starts with pH. Fa. Phenylalanine. Phenylalanine has a single letter code F. It's in your syllabus. In biomolecule it will come. There also I will teach. Phenylalanine F. F. pH. Here femto, fer and per, peta. Sir, they could have said femta also. Some other names were given already to femta, so they used peta. Femto, fer, per. Not only here also phenyl, in biomolecule it will also come. Phenylalanine, single letter code F. Similarly, femtopeta. So peta, just like atto 8, peta 5. 10 power 15. For 5, 10 power minus 15. Femto 5 minus 15. That's all. After that, I'm not worried. So why you're not worried? You are the generation who know Mbps, mega, GB, giga, 10 TB hard disk, tera. There I'm not worried. I'm not worried in micro, milli, centi, deci, deca, because that will come in the structure of atom. I'm not worried with picometer, nanometer. Only thing you have to understand today is this, and this. And my job for the day will be completed. These are the boring, tough things. And because of being boring and because of being tough, no one is teaching this. Why NCERT hai bhai? Someday question will come from here, then student will hold the head, teacher will say, "Arey, you should have read na." How can the student read without, if teacher is not able to teach? My only job is to teach chemistry. I don't have the caliber to teach this. You have to read physics also, chemistry also, biology also. How shameless I have to be that I ask a student reading physics, chemistry, biology in 1 year to read all these things by themselves. And my job, for which I'm getting paid, is to read this book only, and I'm not able to remember myself. ये दोगलापन, ये double standard will not work भैया. Clear है भाई? So understand how I remember conceptually. For phenylalanine, for femto 5, atto 8, atto, in place of atta, sounding like atta, exa. Remaining zepto, zepta, yocto, yocta. Even zepto also, how I remember is that I make z like 2. So I remember like 21. In my brain, how it is stored, ZT, zepto, ZT, zepto, so 2 1. So zepto, and I remember O chinna, A pedda. So zepto minus 21, zepta plus 21. Bhai, give at least half an hour today for this year. Can you do that? Can you do that? Can you give half an hour today for this, bhai? Twarga say bhaiya. Can you give half an hour today for this? Say bhai. Remember it, huh? Pakka? Clear bhaiya? One more thing. Small and capital difference will be there. Small pico, big pitta. Clear bhaiya? Understood? You can see na, up to negative power, all the negative power are small letter. All the negative power chinna are small letter. All the positive power except hectokilo, up to kilo you can see, you can leave that because I said na hectokilo are the exception. Apart from that, remaining all are capital. Clear hai bhai? Understood? But we will talk about that slowly. We have time, don't worry. We have chala time with us. Everything will be clear. But I want you now, a quick revision you should be able to do, and you should be able to revise all these things. What I want you to read, you will revise table number 1.3 from NCERT, number 1. In that you will focus upon yocto, yotta, in the same manner, zepto, zepta, etto, exa, femto, petta. You will focus upon these. And decideca. Decideca to cute people, easy to remember. Clear bhaiya? In the power of 10, what they mean, that you will focus upon, you will try to remember today only, and it is very easy to remember if you remember like this. Remaining you will remember eventually by practice in the structure of atom. Then you will also revise once 1 meter cube is dash time liter is dash time centimeter cube or ml. Liter or decimeter cube are same. Done bhai? These two things can you do, and also read the NCERT in a free time with a cool mind. Read NCERT up to scientific notation. Can you do that? You were saying a little studies. Now little will become chala. Done bhai? Speed is okay. Acha, one genuine thing. How many of you found today's lecture tough? Once give on a scale of 100, 10, on a scale of 10. 10 means very tough, 1 means very easy. How you found today's lecture content? It was easy, moderate, tough. How you found? Like 1 will be very easy, 5 will be okay, 10 will be very tough. I want to see that how you found, and accordingly we will balance the things out. How many times NCERT read? 1 less than infinity. These kind of things, those who read, they don't count. And those who count, they never read. Yes, you have the exam on the upcoming Sunday. Yes. Answer in the number bhai. 1 you found easy, 10 you found very tough. In between means if you found okay tough, 9. Moderate, 5. Easy, 1. Because imagination came that I don't know now how you are good in that or bad in that. I can't know. So I need to know like this, so that we can work upon that as well in future. We have 9.5 months with us. So where to work I should know. And the problem comes in online only by offline, so I can see the face and understand who understood, how much they understood. Okay, so no one found very tough. I was only thinking, I was thinking because of one answer. I think one boy was there or girl was there, someone said one answer wrong. Maybe because of that I got the perception that maybe you are feeling tough. Beta, exam is there this week also. This Sunday also exam is there. No time pass. Long term means no time pass. Clear hai bhai? Time pass nahi, class started. Seriously le lo beta. You will regret later on if you don't read right now. These basics are very important. In future, you will not get time for this deci, deca, octo. Directly in the exams, questions will come. Clear hai bhai? Yes, exam is there. Prepare properly. What will come in the exam? That syllabus will also come to you. Whatever you will teach, that will come. But attend the classes carefully. Chaliye. So that means problem is not there. Good then, no problem. Then to easily we will create doctors from here. That will not be a problem then. If this is easy for you, chemistry will be very easy then. When the core chemistry will come, that will be very easy for you. Attend the class very sincerely, very carefully. Those who are coming and going, understand beta, those who are coming and going, they are only going. Selection not coming for those people. ABC class syllabus also included? No. ABC class syllabus not included in that. Only what we are dealing, this is the second lecture of chemistry. What we are dealing from this Monday onwards, this much only the syllabus will be included. Clear, bhai? For online students, online exam will be there. For offline students, offline exam will be there, because some of you are attending the class online, but eventually they will come offline. Also try to see the lecture in the morning time only. Your schedule will be properly made. Some of you might see this video later on. This can be a problem because once you come to offline, you will take more time to adjust, and meanwhile 1-2 papers will get over. Then extra motivation will be required for you to study. So when you are doing something, do right from beginning onwards. Clear, bhai? ABC syllabus, there is no examination based upon that. Clear, bhai? ABC was elementary basic, no exam is there on the basis of that. This is the basics as per junior inter what is required for you. This is the part of NCERT we are dealing right now. Done, bhaiya? Okay then. Hasta la vista. Bye bye. Read well. Become doctor soon.